In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize and set up YouTube ads to get more webinar registrations. Obviously, webinar registrations is incredibly valuable and YouTube ads is the best place for it. So we're going to be diving into exactly how you can set up your conversions and your funnel so you could be able to get more webinar registrations through your YouTube video ads. So we'll cover the 3 main conversions that you need to keep track of when you set up a webinar-based YouTube ad campaign. We're going to cover exactly how to track those conversions in Google Ads and what to look out for, as well as the best practices for optimizing and scaling those campaigns. We're going to dive into a clip from a recent AMA where we covered exactly how this works. So let's hop in right now. What optimization goal do you use for webinar signups? That is a great question. So when you're setting up your YouTube ad campaigns, what you can do is you can set what the conversion action is. And that's what your campaigns are optimizing for if you have them set up as a lead ad, either TCPA, which is target cost per action, or max conversions. Now, typically we're gonna start things off with TCPA. We have a certain way of bidding. Actually, it's kind of funny for our clients. We have a whole flow chart of exactly, how to bid, where to go, like what your budget should be, who you should target, all of that. But when you're setting this up for your conversion action, that defines, what you're actually tracking as a conversion. Now, what I recommend doing is using all conversions for your webinar ads. That way you can actually track or all conversions in account. Now, you want to make sure that certain ones are enabled for your conversions column and some aren't. By the way, this is getting a little bit into the weeds, but this will answer the question. So essentially, you want to make sure that you're optimizing for webinar leads, and phone calls booked, and then applications. That's what I optimize for, is all 3 of those on your webinar ads. I don't optimize for viewed webinar. I have those as a hidden conversion. So you can track the conversion, but it doesn't actually affect the algorithm. So essentially those are hidden from the column view, but you can still view them, by selecting a segment. And then we also are going to have, basically a wide variety of other tracking too. People who get to our apply page, people who, take a look at our testimonials page, people who do, get the PDF or this other training. But the 3 ones that we're actually, counting as a conversion are webinar registration, booking a call, and we also count that as a conversion value of $1. And that's just kind of for tracking purposes too. And then we count as a conversion value of $100, even though it's worth much more than that, than $100. We just track it at $100. We track our application submitted for an application-based funnel. And that seems to be what you're asking. Same thing if you're doing purchases and courses, that's actually easier. You just set the conversion value at whatever the course value is, or if it's an e-com product or a funnel that's selling an info product, you're gonna actually set that conversion value at whatever that purchase is. That purchase value is. And what I recommend is tracking both the front end metric, which in this case is the lead or the webinar registrant, and then also the back end metric, but not the ones in between. You don't need to track the view webinar, view replay in terms of what's actually showing up in Google as an optimized conversion. You want to track everything, but there's certain ones that you're optimizing for, I mean to say. I hope you found this video valuable. If you guys want to learn more about YouTube ads for your own business, check out all the links down below. We have a link to our YouTube ads webinar where we dive into exactly how YouTube ads work for your business. We also have a version of our webinar specifically for coaches, consultants, course creators that shows you how to build an infinite pipeline of high ticket clients. So just choose the webinar that works best for you. And if you are ready to schedule a call with our team to walk you through exactly how YouTube ads can be implemented into your own business, you can go to adoutreach.com/apply. The link's right down there in the description to schedule a call with our advising team to learn a little bit more about your business, your current marketing, walk you through YouTube ads, see if that's a good fit. And if it is a good fit, we'll map out exactly what that can look like in your business. Also down below, we have links to some case studies, testimonials, so take a look at that below as well. Feel free to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you get notified whenever we have a new video on YouTube ads and marketing. And also join our Facebook group below as well so that you can actually get access to free trainings, content, and resources. It's another great hub for you to access everything YouTube ads. So thank you for watching. All the links will be right down there in the description, and I'll see you guys next time.